I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite, and today I will walk you through how to set the tax allocation method for a subsidiary in a OneWorld account. What you will do is to go to Setup, Accounting, then we look for Invoicing Preferences. Then here you will click on the Installments subtab, and you choose the allocation method in upfront tax allocation method. You can select the subsidiaries for each method. Each subsidiary can only use one allocation method. So here I've selected, for example, Honeycomb Holdings Inc. I click on Save. I also make sure to subscribe to this channel while it is saving. And if you ever need to change the tax allocation method for a subsidiary, simply go back to the Invoicing Preferences page and make the adjustments. This change will take effect from that point forward. If you're enjoying this tutorial, make sure to give it a like and see you in the next one.